Good morning, guys. This is vlog 158. It's Phon-Er Gold, and we are at USC campus. The USC Trojans, the football team, the campus. You guys know them, I'm sure. They're the fame of Southern Cali. So we're over there right now. We're visiting a eye department. It's called something like, I'm not even sure what it's called. Let's see. It's called the Doheny Eye Institute building. So if you guys know where that is, that's where I'm going right now. I gotta find a parking though. She said actually that there's a construction going on, so good luck finding parking. So like, damn. But hopefully I'll get lucky, otherwise I'll have to pay $8 for parking, which I don't want because that'll kill right through my profit, and it'll be almost like a charity work, which I do once in a while, so this may be one of those, but we'll see what happens. So wish me luck, and I'll see how it goes down. Here's the campus, USC. The healthcare center next to the left right there, and we should make a left soon. This is close, so I'm just gonna make a left, I guess, but not sure when I can go. Yep, that's about it, guys. We are here. We are going to find a parking right now. Crossing all the fingers in the world to be able to park somewhere. But it seems like it's going to be a little bit of trickery because I don't see any street parking. But we'll see what happens. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll show you when we get there. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and this is vlog 158, and we'll see you in a bit. That's a cut for now. Let's go. And just like you guessed, guys, guess what? Found the meter parking outside, even though it's all construction zone everywhere. But I was able to find it because I manifested it right before. So I was like, okay, gotta find it. And guess what? Came through. How it works when you manifest truly with full faith and zero doubt. So that's just a little takeaway from today. So let's do this, and I'll see you inside. Peace, guys. Charging port, the head jack right here, which is off. It's just not working, so it's causing the phone to not be able to use the ear speaker because it assumes the head jack is plugged in, which is not. You see, it's not. But so in order to get that fixed, because the speaker is fine, the ear speaker, we have to literally just change the jack because it's broken with the new jack. And this whole portion, it is to be changed. So it's going to be the head jack, charging port is a whole one big component. Just this. So we're going to change that, and everything's going to work. So if you have that same issue, give us a call and we can do it for you, or you can do it yourself. Just know that that's the part you want to change. If your ear speaker is not activating when you're making a phone call because the head jack is assumes that it's plugged in. So that's just the quick fix. Okay guys, let's do this. Let's do this and enjoy the show. Thanks. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er vlog 158, and we'll see you in vlog 159. Peace.